Alright guys, it is soupy, wet, and muddy. Got the rain boots on, and we're gonna try and catch us some bass today, so stay tuned. We had some pretty nasty storms a few days back. Water's still way up, so hopefully we can get on some big ones. That's a good one. We'll take that butterball all day long. Freaking butterball. Golly, these fish are fat as I'll get out. Chatterbait them. Man, they're fat. That's how we like them though. Yep. Take that one, number 2. Just pond hopping these drains, gang. They are fat. Fatties. Got him. It's another decent one. That's awesome. Look how fat they are, gang. They are fatties loaded up in these storm drains after these big storms. There's another one. The storm drains. We'll take him. This is ridiculous. I think that's number 5 out of the drains. We'll take them. Jeez, it's every cast. Number 6. This is so much fun. Number 7. Calm down, buddy. I'll help you. Hey, stop it. Number 7. Number 8. Take him. Let's go. Chatterbait. Number 9. First right here in the backyard. No, they're not real big in this video for you guys. Hoping we can come across the big one out of one of these little drain pockets. I got one, gang. Number uno. Numero uno. On a chatterbait. Taking tiny guy. There we go. Got us one. Little guy though. Little guy out of the drain. Yep. There we go, guys. That's a nice one. A structure bug, fatty. Good old structure bug fish. Fat, green, healthy. Taking. Healthy, fatty, chunker. Oh! Dad! Oh my God. Oh! That's a 6! Holy smoke! Round. Dude, that's a tank. Let's go. Get the big monster pictures. Big fatty. Big fatty. I'm saying, what are you saying? 5'4"? Look, I mean, it's thick. What's your guess?
4'11".
4'11"?
5'4".
What'd I say? Let's go. That's a tub, man. That's a freaking beast.
Hey, I'm not talking about this big enough.
Beast of a bass.